All right, let's talk about how artificial intelligence, or AI, is stepping out of the movies and right into the middle of the business world. We're going to explore how AI is becoming this incredible co pilot, a tool that's completely reshaping how companies work from the ground up. So, what does this co pilot actually do for you? Well, think about this for a second. You get that instant text from your bank, right? The one that says, hey, was this you about some suspicious charge? That's AI, working behind the scenes, protecting you in real time. It's the perfect example of how this tech is already woven into our lives, and, more importantly, into the very heart of how businesses operate today. The biggest mindset shift we need to make is this. AI isn't here to replace people, not at all. It's here to be a powerful co-pilot. Think of it as a strategic partner, designed to boost our own skills, handle all the boring repetitive stuff, and help us find amazing insights that were hidden in plain sight. So when we say AI, what are we really talking about? Well, at its core, AI is all about computer systems that can do tasks you'd normally need a human brain for. Things like learning from past experiences, spotting patterns in just massive amounts of data, and even solving complex problems. For any business, this isn't just a shiny new tech toy, it's a real strategic advantage.
Here's the thing, AI isn't just one single technology. It's more like a toolkit, filled with all these specialized instruments for different jobs. So let's crack open that toolkit and see what the most successful businesses are really working with.
First up, we've got machine learning, or ML. I love this one. Think of it as the data detective. It dives into mountains of old data to find all these hidden connections and trends. But the magic part is that it learns and gets smarter all by itself over time. This lets businesses make incredibly accurate predictions about, well, almost anything, from what you're likely to buy next to next quarter's sales number. Next in our toolkit is natural language processing, NLP for short. This is basically the universal translator. It's the tech that closes the gap between how we talk and how computers think. It's the engine behind everything from the chatbot you talk to online to systems that can read thousands of customer reviews and tell you if people are happy or not. Then you've got computer vision, which is like giving machines a digital eye. It allows them to see and understand the visual world, just like we do. And in business, this is huge. It's used for quality control on factory lines, spotting tiny defects in products, and even in advanced security systems. And rounding out our main tools, we have robotic process automation, or RPA. This one is all about supercharging efficiency. RPA uses these little software bots to take over all those mind-numbing, repetitive tasks, like data entry or processing invoices. This frees up the human employees to focus on the stuff that actually requires creativity and strategic thinking. Okay, so we've seen the tools in the toolkit. Now for the fun part, let's see how they're actually being used. We're going to take a quick tour through a typical company and see how different departments are leveraging AI to really get ahead of the competition. Let's start our tour in marketing and sales. For these teams, AI is an absolute game changer. It helps them understand customers on a whole new level. It can slice and dice audiences with incredible precision, predict future sales trends, and even change pricing on the fly based on demand. It's not just about selling more, it's about making a perfect connection with the right person at the exact right time. I mean, we've all seen this, right? You're shopping online, and the website suggests a few things that you actually want. It's like it read your mind. Well, that's machine learning. It's analyzing your clicks in real time to create a shopping experience that feels like it was built just for you. Okay, next stop, customer service. Here, AI is completely changing the game with things like chatbots that are available 24/7. So you never have to wait. But it's way more than just answering simple questions. AI can analyze feedback from phone calls and emails to give a company a crystal clear picture of what their customers really feel about them. Just think about your bank's app. That little chatbot that pops up and lets you check your balance or ask a quick question at 2 in the morning? Yep, that's AI. It provides that round-the-clock service that would be totally impossible to do with just human agents. Now, let's head over to finance. This is where AI's incredible precision and analytical horsepower really get to shine. It's automating bookkeeping, analyzing financial risk in a split second, and powering the complex systems that decide on loans. What it's really doing is bringing this powerful new level of accuracy and security to a company's financial core. And look at that, we're right back where we started. That fraud alert we talked about? It's all powered by AI algorithms that are scanning thousands of transactions every second. They're looking for any little pattern that doesn't match your normal spending habits. It's like having a digital bodyguard for your money. You might be surprised, but AI is even shaking things up in departments like human resources. There are specialized AI tools that can now sift through thousands of resumes in minutes to find the best candidates, analyze performance data to spot rising stars, and even handle common HR questions through an internal chatbot. And here's one of the coolest strategic uses: predicting employee turnover. By looking at all the data, AI can help companies understand the real reasons why people might be leaving. This lets them fix problems before they get out of hand, creating a much better workplace for everybody and holding on to their best people.
Okay, so AI sounds pretty amazing, right? But bringing it into a business isn't always a walk in the park. The potential rewards are massive, for sure, but it's super important to have a clear-eyed view and understand the challenges that come along with such powerful technology.
So if you picture a scale, on one side you have these incredible benefits. You get way more efficient, you make smarter decisions, you save money, and you get a real edge on your competition. But on the other side of that scale, the challenges are very real. It can be expensive and complex to set up, you absolutely have to protect customer data, and there's a serious risk of accidentally building bias into your systems. A truly winning AI strategy is one that faces these challenges head-on. So where is all of this heading? Well, the future isn't some sci-fi battle of humans versus machines, not at all. It's about creating a powerful partnership. The future is human plus AI, a collaboration that is going to drive innovation in ways we can barely even imagine. But to get to that future, we need to build on a solid foundation of responsible AI. This means being transparent about how decisions are made, working tirelessly to make sure they're fair and unbiased, and protecting data like it's gold. And most importantly, it means always keeping a human in the loop for those critical decisions. This isn't just about doing the right thing. It's just plain good business. And looking just a little further down the road, things are going to get even more exciting. We're going to see generative AI creating amazing content and designs. Teams of humans and AI working together will become the new normal. And all these powerful tools will start becoming available to smaller businesses too, really leveling the playing field for everyone. And that really leaves us with one final big question. AI becoming our co-pilot in business, that's happening. It's not an if, it's a when. So the real question we all have to ask ourselves, as employees, as leaders, as a society, is this: how are we going to choose to work with it? How will we use this incredible tool to build a smarter, more efficient, and maybe even a more human future?